SCADA stands for Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition. I don't even know what all of that means. Mainly, it's a lot of robots, it's networking, it's finding problems, it's fixing problems.
I would say SCADA is super important. It runs a lot of the automation. It's in your everyday life with traffic controls, manufacturing, the products. It's just everywhere.
Mitchell Tech does both the classroom learning and the hands-on learning.
I love being in the classroom and then being able to apply those concepts in the lab, and it really solidifies and helps me keep that knowledge. The instructors here, they're just amazing. Dale and Josh, they just know what they're doing. They make this program.
To Mitchell Tech, I'm not just student 91251, I'm Ted Tryon, I am their student.
Tech schools, it's faster, you get into the career faster, you get your hands dirty working with the real stuff and on the real equipment.
After school, I'll be good to go with having a good living, a good paying job. There's multiple companies that hire out students from the SCADA program, and a lot of them pay very well for starting off. You might not know much about the Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition that I'm in here, but it's a very cool program, it's very rewarding, and I love it.
I'm being the best at Mitchell Tech.
I'm being the best at Mitchell Tech.